Collectability and restoration. Oval window Beetles, built between 1953 and 1957, are highly coveted by collectors from all over the globe. Most knowledgeable enthusiasts consider oval windows, especially those equipped with the huge sliding canvas sunroof, commonly called Ragtop, to be the most desirable Beetles ever built. 57 Beetles were a significant evolution of the original design. It featured a larger engine, improved suspension, and a more comfortable interior. This made it even more popular with drivers and cemented its place as an automotive icon. Styling. The exterior styling of the 1957 Volkswagen Beetle is one of the most recognizable designs in automotive history. The front of the VW Beetle was dominated by the large, round headlights and the distinctive VW logo. The rounded hood and fenders, along with the sloping windshield, gave the car a smooth and aerodynamic appearance. The side view of the Beetle was equally impressive, with its gentle curves and rounded doors. The rear of the 1957 VW Beetle was perhaps its most distinctive feature, with its slanted deck and small, oval taillights. History and origins. In the 1930s, Hitler had a vision for Germany to become a major industrial power, and part of that vision included the development of a car for the masses. He believed that every German family should have access to a car, and he tasked Ferdinand Porsche with designing a vehicle that was affordable, efficient, and easy to operate. This was the origin of the Volkswagen Beetle. The first Beetle was produced in 1938 and quickly became popular in Germany and around the world. Its simple yet innovative design, combined with its affordability, made it an instant classic.